Hello and welcome to this first booster pack opening on the channel. It's something that I'll maybe do once a set. It's just a way of gathering interest and seeing what we get. So here's a Lost Caverns of Ixalan booster and we'll see what we get out of it. So let's open it up. Okay, so I think that's the back, that's the front. So let's see what we get. So we have Out of Air, Mephetic Draft, Armored Kincaller, Hidden Courtyard, Lodestone Needle, it's a double face card, Bitter Triumph, Spelunking, that's a full art foil forest, Zoyoa Lavatongue, Wrathful Raptors, Corpses of the Lost, Molten Collapse, nice, Skullspawn Nexus, Indominus Rex, very nice, and that's a foil. Full art, excellent. And here we have a Guest, which is full art foil, so that's very nice, that one. I like that. And here we have the Gnome token and Dinosaur. So yeah, pretty good pack overall. Happy with that. So we've got 3 decent pulls, at least. I haven't checked the rest of them for the prices, but I know these ones are particularly good. They're all mythic. Oh no, that one's a rare. Okay. Well, that was a rare too, but it's still worth something. Okay. Yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Like this video? Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.